What's going on? Mike here, got another video. YouTube, what's going on? Mike here, got another one for you guys. Yeah, I really do two in a week, but I have a lot of some things on my mind I wanted to share with you guys today. It's been a rough week. It's been a rough week. Man, just I want to say the past maybe 2-3 weeks, I'm getting some recalls, man. I've just been getting on my nerves. Sometimes it's like that, man. I don't get that much recalls within a week. It's maybe sometimes 1, 2, but it's some annoying ones sometimes, man. Some annoying recalls, man. One of them is a gasket I installed, and it's an older lady, and since it's an older machine, I don't know, machine like maybe 8-9 years old, and I put on a new bellow door boot gasket, and I get there, I can close the door no problem, but she's an older lady, so sometimes she has a problem closing the door, so I had to make her close it, to leave it closed for a while, a couple days or so. Still having problems, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go back, maybe heat up the gasket a little bit, let it adhere to the door so she can, nothing you can really do in that situation. It's installed properly. There's nothing wrong with it. It works when it works. It's just, they upgrade parts or they change the materials of parts sometimes. That's just how that goes. Yeah, and it's just, I want to say, just don't let the recalls get you down, man. Sometimes it's like that. Sometimes you just get recalls for dumb stuff. Sometimes it's customer errors. Sometimes it's your own error. It's just pretty much just don't let it get you down. That's the best way I can say it. Because sometimes, man, it's like, it's annoying. You know what I'm saying? It's annoying sometimes when you do recalls and you just gotta go back. But another thing I got, shout out to the Appliance Apprentice group and my homie G. Well, she told me first, so but I got me a ID badge. So, it just adds to the professionalism and justifies, I don't want to say really justifies, but it does kind of justify my service call. When I'm there, you know who I am. So, you got to make yourself look a little professional out here. And there's a lot of people that have them, as you can see, I didn't put owner on there. Head technician, y'all don't have to know I'm the owner. I'm cool on that. I didn't even have to put my full name, but I have my full name on my cards anyway, so it's like, why not, Some people still don't think I'm the owner, even giving them the card and stuff like that, so that's fine. I'll let her keep thinking that, and, that's cool for me. So yeah, it's just tough week, slow. It's a little slower this month, but not that slow, I've been getting a good amount of calls this week and submitting a good amount of calls, so it's not that bad at all, but definitely, like today I have one recall. I don't feel like going to it, but it is what it is. You gotta go back. That's why I've always said it in my other videos. You always have to go back, usually, no matter what. Sometimes there's certain instances, especially if customers are like, difficult and who you don't want to deal with, or they disrespected you, or something to that effect where you're not gonna go back, then I understand that, because that's happened with us too. So it's not like it doesn't happen, it happens. And but it rarely happens. So yeah, that's just how it goes. Also, I keep getting this question asked. I'm just gonna address it now so people don't have to ask it anymore. But people ask me why I don't do diagnosing videos, and I'm like, I have in the past, maybe like 2, and I just figure there's a whole bunch out there. There's people doing those type of videos and don't tell you anything. So I mean, not tell you anything, but don't give you their daily, weekly, or whatever operation experience. That's pretty much what my channel is. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, and another thing too, why I don't do that, and I put this in the comment from I think my last video, one of my videos, is that I'm very engaging with my customers. Like, I talk to them, I'm never usually by myself for the most part. Like, they're always around, and you know, I'm not gonna make a video whispering, and I'm not gonna do all that. That's, you know, if you want to learn how to fix stuff, there's plenty of places on YouTube that teach you how to disassemble. You know, what I would say is do it case by case. Do it, you know, if you have an issue with an appliance or you're pre-diagnosing, then look up that, you know, model or that brand or whatever, and then try to see what's going on. If you just overload yourself with a whole bunch of diagnosing videos, you might not even run into those issues, you know, no time soon, or forget about it by the time you run into it. So you want to keep things fresh into your brain. You can do whatever you want, but that's just my opinion, you know, like, so that's why I just don't do random diagnosing videos. But like I said, you can go on my Instagram and see all my repairs. You know, you can see what I've repaired on my daily. I take pictures almost every single day on my Instagram, and that's where I get a lot of questions asked about, and I usually don't put what the issue is or the description is, because, or what you know, what the initial call or the problem was, because it'll give people, if they really want to know, they'll ask, and it'll be engaging, and I'll tell them, you know, what was the initial call, what was the problem, I'll tell them, and then you can kind of get an idea why I changed certain parts, you know. So yeah, if you want to see daily that type of stuff, just go on my Instagram. You know, that's all I can say. I post stuff, like I said, daily when it comes to what I fix on it. Nothing is, everything that I put up on a daily basis is that same day. There's no old stuff, there's none of that. I just put it the same. Sometimes it's repeat of older things that I put, but you know, people have told me that that's helped them, you know, so I'm just gonna keep doing it. That's just what I'm gonna do. But on my YouTube, I'm just gonna talk to you guys, you know. And there's a lot of people, like I said, that's doing this type of YouTube videos, I guess. But you know, I've been doing it for quite a long time. There's certain things that you might not get from other people, and there are probably things you are gonna get from other people. You know, that just is what it is. So yeah, just let you guys know what kind of week it's been. Today I got 6 calls, 6, but 1 I can possibly be scheduled for tomorrow. Then I only have 1 job on this tomorrow, which is Saturday. I don't know, I might do it, I might not. It all depends on how I feel. Another good thing is once you get your bearings in this business, if you're new or you're just starting, or even if you're in your first year or you're just coming out of your first year going into your second year, you start to realize that it's not always about the quantity of the job, it's the quality. And you know, when I first started, I knew I was trying to emulate basically what I was doing in the company. Then I came to realize that I don't have to work that much to make a good amount of money every single day. And there's other things I want to do in a day, or other ways I want to make money. So I'm definitely gonna try to allocate my time better. You know, I got this from somebody recently, actually my sister pretty much. She's like, there is no time management, really. You can't manage time. If you sit there, time's gonna keep going. But you can allocate what you do in those time frames, you know? So I'm pretty sure you guys probably heard that before, but that kind of just sat with me because she told it to me recently. So, you know, that's just how it goes. So I try to allocate my time the best way I can. And once I'm done working for the day, I'm doing other things to try to expand my mind or make money or whatever the case may be. Because eventually, you know, I'm trying to get away from appliance repair. Maybe it might be 10 years, it might be 5 to 10 years, who knows how long it might be. But I know I'm going to build my business up to where it can run, I can hire people and it can run on its own. That's kind of the goal. So, you know, it is what it is. But yeah, you guys keep pushing out there. Don't let the recalls get you down. I don't care if you've been doing this for 20 years, 25, 30 years. It's gonna happen. You're gonna get recalls. No one's exempt from that. Yes, they will go down significantly from when you started, because you know you learn from your mistakes, obviously. But you know, it's still. I know people with 5 years still in it that still gets like, oh man, these recalls, oh, you know, and it's like, I tell them, hey, it's nothing you can, you know, I feel you. You know, I feel you on that because I feel the same way sometimes. It's just, you know, certain things, that's when it goes from beginner to a veteran, always learning. It's an everyday thing to learn. So, you know, just keep learning and do your best out there. That's the main thing, because I keep saying to people all the time, do good work, work will come to you, always. But anyway, you guys take it easy, have a great weekend. I will see you guys next week with another one. And I haven't forgot about the videos I want to do, especially about truck stock and stuff, but it'll be coming. You guys will see.